way to the ring from Sarasota, Florida, weighing in at 274 pounds, Macho Man Randy the Savage.
If you listen to After the Bell this week, you know this is a match I've wanted to see for quite some time, and it's almost time to start. He said he'll be making a statement in this match tonight and will deliver it emphatically.
Here we go, guys.
And his opponent from Charlotte, North Carolina, weighing in at 278 pounds, the Natural, Ric.
Everyone is booing this superstar, and for a good reason.
The minute your hearing check, Saxton, all I'm hearing is booyaka. They clearly want Rey Mysterio to pass the torch to their new favorite competitor.
Oh, please give me a break.
Come on, let's go! He said he'll steal the show here tonight, and he looks more than ready to deliver on that promise.
We're in for a vicious match here, guys.
Yeah, there's a certain ferocity you'll need to survive inside the cage. These superstars know that, so you can expect to see a heightened sense of aggression from them.
He's turning the tables.
Back and forth from these competitors.
Connecting with a sharp elbow. The steel cage contains all the disdain superstars have for one another. Corey, what does the superstar have to do to come out on top?
You need to be keenly aware of the situation at all times. There are a number of ways to win this match, and you have to know which to attempt and when.
True words have never been spoken. If your opponent is prone on the ground, you have to assess the situation. They might have the power to kick out, but not quite enough energy to stop you from an escape. If they're far from the door, walking out might be a better option than the climb.
Certainly plenty of variables on the table in this match tonight. Clothesline!
Oh, double axe handle.
Here he goes, moving up the cage wall. Splash! He's looking a little off balance. Oh, this isn't pretty. Oh, God.
What a counter.
Uh-oh, get ready to elbow drop. Makes him pay with a counter. And he sends him into the corner. Oh, ouch. Reversal! What a counter! Each competitor showing they've done their homework.
the cage.
Saw it coming.
Sit down, pile driver. He thinks he has it. He gets the kick out after the one.
Still in it.
What a gutsy performance. And here we go. He's headed up the cage.
The sprint up the cage is on. Trying to escape the cage. Ooh. Nasty impact.
He takes a painful fall from the cage.
Oh, I did not like the look of that impact.
And set right into the corner. Boom, right in the button. Oh, what a right. Man, that's some attitude behind it. Oh, this isn't pretty. He's starting to struggle here.
This match has been so back and forth.
Gentlemen, it's time to go to school. Woo!
There it is.
Leg lock.
Locked in.
Give up now. Swallow your pride and submit. He's on his back trying to squirm his way out of this. Reversing. He does reverse. And that'll break the hold. And an elbow. Oh, what a punch.
That's how you stop your opponent.
Oh, here it comes. Oh, spiked him. He knew that was coming. Reversal after reversal. These two are ready for each other. Oh, my goodness. Launched into the cage. Oh, driving the elbow. Great reversal. Yikes, that'll either wake you up or knock you out. And here we go. Single leg crab. One leg locked in here. What a unique submission maneuver here. And look at the pain his opponent's in.
How much punishment?
Gotta find a way out of the single leg Boston crab. Oh, wow, look at this. Incredible effort to get out. Clothesline. He's making his way up the side of the cage.
Trying to escape the cage.
He's determined to make it to the top of the cage here, guys.
Getting ever so close to the very peak of the steel cage.
Oh, no. Oh, man. Oh, and crashing a long way down. And a hellacious fall from the cage.
From the top rope. And proving a bit slippery for them there.
To go to school. Woo!
There it is.
Leg lock.
Locked in. Can you imagine what it would do to his confidence if he tapped out right here?
He's on his back trying to squirm his way out of this. Reversing. He does reverse. And that'll break the hold. Caught with the lariat. Big clothesline. Making the climb up the cage. Here he goes.
Trying to escape the cage.
the waning moments of this match.
Looking to step through. Here it comes. Figure four locked in. Submission is in.
Will that be the deciding factor?